Hey, Joe, what if we do this? What if I send you out my top 2 sellers? Awesome. Thanks, Joe. Bye.
Mom, cleaning lady's done. You have to give her a check.
Okay. What now? Door! Woo! Nebo Fairy Presents. Nebo Fairy Presents. Hey, Willow, what time is it?
5:01.
Woo! What?
For you.
What is it?
I don't know, the guy.
Oh, hey, Joe. Sure, I can get you 2 SEs. Yep, and 4 Larrys. How about we add a couple Edge and some Ultra sockets? All right, you got it. Thanks, Joe. Woo, tough day at the office.